Ahoj lidi, vítám vás u hry League of Legends a právě v následující době uvidíte, jak se hraje za Tryndamera.
LeJohn, Eastside boys, China White, Too Short for the remix, baby. There's some goods in this house. There's some goods in this house. If you see them, point them out. If you see them, point them out.
There's some thugs in this house. There's some thugs in this house with that bling in their mouth, bling bling in their mouth.
I like them girls with that long, long hair. I like them girls that don't care if you a player. I like them girls that'll let you feel they ass at the club with her empty champagne glass. I like them girls that'll tell you what they think, feeling freaky after 2 or 3 drinks. I like them girls that be choosing on a baller, let you holler when she see you pop your collar. I like them girls that don't like to have sex unless a player got a diamond Rolex. I like them girls that'll let you move around, get your plane and meet a player out of town. I like them girls that like to stay up real late, even though she gotta be at work at 8. I like them rider like a 1980 caddy, real nasty cause she hate her baby daddy. I like them girls. Some call them hoochies, some call them breezes, some call them chickens. We call them girls, that's how we go.
I like them goods with them tats on they back. That be them goods with them fresh cowboy hats.
I like them thugs with them big face bills. That be them thugs with that gold in they grill.
I like them goods with them cute, pretty toes. That be them goods where anything goes.
I like them thugs with them 2,000 bikes, Kawasaki with the 2 headlights.
I like them goods.
I don't care what you like. I like them thugs. Where them thugs at? Where them thugs?
I like them goods.
Nah, player. I like them thugs. Where them thugs at? Where them thugs at?
I like them goods.
I like them thugs. I like them thugs. I like
I like them goods.
I like them thugs. Where them thugs at? Where them thugs at?
I like them goods that be sipping on that Chris. That be them goods that'll let you lick they.
I like them thugs with them candy coated whips. That be them thugs that put their mouth on the lips.
I like them goods that can bounce it to the beat. That be them goods that'll put your boy to sleep.
I like them thugs with curly hair and pretty eyes. That be them thugs with them 20-inch ties.
I like them goods with them short Prada dresses. That be them goods that'll cook a player breakfast.
I like them thugs with them tats on their neck, down their arm, on their chest, across their back.
I like them goods that always weigh up on. That be them goods that'll cut you all night long.
Tell you what I like. I like them thugs with them reeds on their feet, soldier rag t-shirt, Jabot jeans.
I like them goods.
I don't care what you like. I like them thugs. Where them thugs at? Where them thugs?
I like them goods.
Nah, player. I like them thugs. Where them thugs at? Where them thugs at? Where them thugs at?
Just ride on down, just ride on down, just ride on down, just ride on down. All the ladies just ride with me, all the ladies just bound with me, all the ladies just ride.
Vychádza legendárna crew, 6 za jeden tým. Áno, stále sme tu, za klubom. Súd za súdom, bielý rum tečie prúdom. Ruku do ohňa za moju krú s kľudom. Chceš nás hejtovať, nem čudom, asi hovoríš iným jazykom. Zapadať do mojej bandy, to jak začínať si s nesprávnym chlapíkom. El Clasico, fantastiko, tak prirodzenú kvalitu nenapodobíš plastikou. Chlapci vynašli swag, a keď nemáš vlastný si wiggity wack. Simsalabim, zjavia sa jak džin, každý pije za 2,5 chlapa jak Sheen. Charlie a fajči jak Marley, v životopise len 5 písmen party. A ty znova máš tu česť, tak daj hore pesť. Legendárna H1-6. Prichádza legendárna crew, 6 za jeden tým. Áno, stále sme tu, chlapci platinoví sú. Legendárna crew, legendárna crew, legendárna.
Cesta 6 vyjebaných hráčov, vzory v tom mori pojebaných sráčov. Sorry, že horí v nás duch, ktorý tvorí story z pouličnej školy až po VIP stoly. Ale stále sme tými, čo idú si skurvene pravdivé rímy. Pre naše rodisko, Československo, dedictvo pre ďalšie generácie jak UNESCO. Grimo, Cigo a Spirit, otecko Janko. Sme ako v štátnej pokladnici manko. Z roka na rok väčší a nepoznáme stop. Nebezpečný pre systém, čo mu vykopeme hrob. Hudba v rádiách, veľké pódia, VIP pipky na hoteli Poligamia. Pornografia, narkomafia, najčistejší materiál na trhu, ktorý zabíja.
Prichádza legendárna crew, 6 za jeden tým. Áno, stále sme tu, chlapci platinoví sú. Legendárna crew, legendárna crew, legendárna.
Prineseme im to jak čašník, chore punchliny, flow krásny. Stále nevidia ten swag, blázni. Hejterovi jedno slovo, sklapni. Z ihriska na festivaly, pokrok, ale stále makám tvrdo, otrok. 24 hodín denne, non-stop, plný úväzok, žiadne voľno. Legendárna crew, moji chlapci, a to není nič, len pravda, hapči. Kurvy vidia, že sme hráči, Jack Sparrow na bare, nalej ďalší. A teraz sa už iba rehocem, jak nafajčené baboce. Všetko vychádza tak ako chcem, plnia sa nám sny, Vianoce.
Prichádza legendárna crew, 6 za jeden tým. Áno, stále sme tu, chlapci platinoví sú. Legendárna crew, legendárna crew, legendárna.
Tak jo, doufám, že se vám moje video líbilo. Tak oni dali surrender, tak jsme vyhráli a doufám, že jste se z toho ponaučili a těším se na vás v příštím díle.